Hello everyone, welcome to this video of Make Inside Square Fit. In this video, we will understand the tools, machine and instruments that are used to maintain the dimensional accuracy to fit a square part in square slot.
A file is a cutting tool used in removing excess material from a workpiece. Files are manufactured in different types and grades to meet the various needs. File grades are determined by the spacing of the teeth. A rough file is used for removing rapidly a larger quantity of metal. It is mostly used for trimming the rough edges of soft metal castings. A bastard file is used in case where there is a heavy reduction of material. A second cut file is used to give a good finish on metals. It is excellent to file hard metals. It is useful for bringing the jobs close to the finishing size. A smooth file is used to remove small quantity of material and to give a good finish. A dead smooth file is used to bring the material to accurate size with a high degree of finish. The types of files used for prepping the workpiece before cutting the square slots are rough file, finishing file. Prick punch or dot punch. Punches are used to make certain dimensional features of the layout permanent. The angle of the prick punch is 30 degrees or 60 degrees. The 30-degree point punch is used for making light punch marks needed to position dividers. The 60-degree punch is used for marking witness marks and called as dot punch. Drilling machine. A drilling machine is a power tool that is used to create cylindrical holes in a workpiece. The tool bit is rotated at high speed and pressed into the workpiece to create a cylindrical hole that passes either partway, blind hole, or all the way through hole, the part. The speed and the feed rate of a drilling machine can be adjusted either manually or automatically. Drilling machines can be mounted directly to a concrete floor, to a work table, or can even be portable. In case of our workpiece, we chain drill holes along the witness marks created by the punch. Chipping is an operation of removing excess metal with the help of a chisel and hammer. The chisel is a hand-cutting tool used by fitters for chipping and cutting off operations. Chisels are made from high carbon steel or chrome vanadium steel. The cross-section of chisel is usually hexagonal or octagonal. The cutting edge is hardened and tempered. A chisel has the following parts, that is, head, body, point or cutting edge. The type of chisel used for separating material after chain drilling operation is a web or a punching chisel. An engineer's hammer is a hand tool used for striking purposes while punching, bending, straightening, chipping, peening, forging, riveting, etc. The major parts of a hammer are a head and a handle. The parts of a hammer head are face. The face is the striking portion. Slight convexity is given to it to avoid digging of the edge into the job. Peen or pane. The pane is the other end of the head. It is used for shaping and forming work like riveting, peening and bending. The peen is of different shapes like the ball peen, cross peen, straight peen. The face and the peen are hardened. A ball peen hammer is used for punching, chiseling, peening, removing bends, and for straightening of sheets. Cheek. The cheek is the middle portion of the hammerhead. The weight of the hammer is stamped here. This portion of the hammerhead is left soft. Eye hole. An eye hole is meant for fixing the handle. It is shaped to fit the handle rigidly. The wedges fix the handle in the eye hole. The ball peen hammers are used for general work in a workshop. Clearance groove of specified form and dimensions created by removing material at an inner corner of a rotationally symmetric workpiece, and which is necessary for subsequent machining and assembly with mating parts. Types of relief grooves are as follows. Relief groove types E, F, and G are all used for different types of workpieces. Type E is used for pieces with no increased demands on the plane surface but with cylindrical surfaces which may need further processing. Type F is used for pieces with right angle surfaces which may require further machining. While Type G is used for pieces which require a small transition of the right angle surfaces with less load. Now let us see job sequence for cutting square slot in workpiece. Check the given raw material for its size. Rough and finish file on surfaces flat and square to overall size of 70 by 70 by 11 mm, maintaining the accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm. Mark off sizes in part 1 as per job drawing and punch witness marks. Hold part 1 in drilling machine table and drill chain drill holes to remove excess metal as shown. Periphery of the drill should not touch the witness marks. Cut and remove the chain drilled hatched part using web chisel and ball peen hammer. File the chipped portion to size and shape using safe edge file of different grades, maintaining the accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm, and check the size with vernier caliper. Cut relief grooves using hacksaw at 4 inside corners as shown. Job sequence for square insert to be fitted inside this square slot. File to size 30 by 30 by 11 mm, maintaining the accuracy of plus or minus 0.04 mm. Check the flatness and squareness with tri-square. Check the size with vernier caliper. Match part 2 into part 1 as shown. Finish filing in part 1 and 2 with flat smooth file and deburr in all the surfaces and corners of the job. Apply a little oil and preserve it for evaluation.
In this video, we have learned how to mark a square slot on the workpiece using dot punch and to chain drill the marked slot without touching the periphery of the witness marks. Use of tools like chisel and hammer to remove excess material from the chain drilled slot, maintaining the fit accuracy between the square slot and insert and create a seamless mating of the two parts. Thank you for watching.